If you need to send money through the mail, a USPS money order is a safe option. Here's how to fill one out and send it. First, decide how much money you want to send. You can send up to $1,000 in a single money order. Next, head to your nearest post office. Bring cash or a debit card to pay, since credit cards are not accepted for money orders. When you're at the counter, ask for a money order. The clerk will give you the form. Fill in the name of the person or business who will receive the money. Write your own information as the purchaser and make sure everything is neat and accurate. Once it's filled out, pay the amount of the money order plus the fee. The fee depends on how much you're sending. If the order is up to $500, the fee is $2.55. If it's between $501 and $1,000, the fee is $3.60. Military money orders have a lower fee of 84 cents. The clerk will hand you a receipt. Keep it in a safe place because it has tracking information. That way, you can check the status of your money order if needed. That's it. Decide the amount, go to the post office with cash or debit, fill out the form carefully, pay the fee, and keep your receipt.